There is a lot and a lot of snow outside. So, yeah. And for today's video, I will be testing out slime hacks without glue or borax to see if they work. So let's get started. For the first one, you will be needing gel shampoo and salt. So let's try it out. So first grab any bowl you have and a spoon. And then grab your shower gel. I'm using Bath and Body Works, and pour that all into your bowl. After you do that, grab your spoon and add a small spoon of salt. Okay, now mix it all up. I'm just gonna speed it up for you. Okay, so when you have this consistency, you'll know it's done. So now you'll have to freeze it for 20 minutes, and I'll see you when it's done. Bye. Sorry I didn't show you the end result, but that video got deleted by accident. And the slime didn't turn out good at all. It was so cold and, yeah, it wasn't good. So don't try it. I don't recommend it. So let's see the last slime hack. Now, for the last slime hack, you will be needing shampoo, dish soap, sugar, and, yeah, I think that's it. So let's get started. So I have my shampoo and I'm just gonna pour a bit in there. Okay, so now I'm adding my dish soap. Okay, now I'm just going to be adding 1 spoon of sugar. Let's mix it all up. So this is the consistency I have. Now we should freeze it for 20 minutes. So see when it's done. Oh, and I also added like this on top so it doesn't freeze. I want it to turn into a slimy consistency, not a frozen consistency. So yeah. Don't forget to freeze it for 20 minutes. I think I said that, but just a reminder. So here it is. Let me just open it up. And I don't think it worked. It's very cold and it's not slimy at all. So no, it didn't work. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye!